Hello and welcome back to my channel. This time it's a thread response, a quick one, I hope. I believe this was started by Chris Propfe. I'm sorry if is a horrible pronunciation, but I'm sorry. Chris Propfe, musically obsessed. And the thread is called For the Birds. So basically 5 albums that had have birds on the cover. I actually found this thread. I think it was David Newton's response to this. I first saw this and I knew I had to take part of this because I love this kind of things where you just go flip through your records and watch the cover and find something specific. The birds, I think it was a Psych contest. It was something food related. I love to find these kind of things. But let's start. The first one is by the bird masters. It's eagles, and there's the bird on the cover. This is some sort of compilation. But here is the bird, sitting right on top of that E. Next one is Elveiti, Ateknatos album. Here's a raven on the cover. It should help if I take this off. It helps a bit. Yeah, it's a raven on the cover. I believe there's one in the gatefold as well. No, I was mistaken. Sorry, I have to pause this. Sorry for that, I was needed elsewhere. It's really funny, like, whenever I try to record this video, someone just needs to speak to me and say to me, and like, when I'm not recording, no one gives a damn where I am. But let's continue. That was Elveiti, Ateknatos and the Raven on the cover. Next one is American Standard Band. Here's the bald eagle or American eagle or whatever you like to call it. Right on the cover. I think, yeah. It's a pretty okay rock album. The next one we have Joose Keskitalo, Nukkekoti. Here's on the top of that is, what is it called? Is it like a pitchcock or something like that? It's Riikinkukko in Finnish. But I believe it's a pitchcock, I don't know. But a bird with a long and like colorful tail. I think that was 4, yes. And the last one, Guillotine. This is their self-titled one. This is an awesome, like, how would you say, like progressive jazz rock type of stuff. There's I believe it's a hummingbird on the cover, but it is bird at least. I'm not 100% sure if it's a hummingbird or some other bird, but it's a bird. It's a really good album. Check this out. And this is like pretty cheap too. It's like under €10 in Discogs. but Guillotine is self-titled with the hummingbird. And I believe that was the 5 albums. This was a bit of a shorter video, but I have like made what 4 or 5 4, I don't know, 3 or 4 videos in the past week, so good stuff. Next time when we see, I actually don't believe I have new records because all the record shops are closed and the flea markets are closed, and we'll see. But I think this was it. Oh, and by the way, if you don't know the Chris Propfe musically obsessed channel, goes up to him. He's like, when I started to record this video, he was at 299 subscribers, so almost 300. Congrats to that, because I believe you are on 300 when this video goes up. But see you next video.